test out the Zino Mini Pro today. Just a quick short test just to show how the new function of bypass obstacle works. I tried doing it the other day, but my camera ran out of battery, which sucked. This one's the brake option, which should stop when it comes towards you. As you see, I'm pressing it forward, it's coming towards me, and it stops. I'll do that again. Hopefully you guys can see. Coming towards me, and it stops. Next, we're going to try the bypass, and this is supposed to just go right around you. So as you can see here, center myself, and as you can see, it goes right around me. Let's try that again, and let's do that one more time. So as you can see, I'm pressing up. It detects me and it starts to move right out of the way. Pretty cool. Now I'll check the back sensors and see if that works. So I'm going to do the same. I'm going backwards. Whoa, the backwards ones did not work. Let me try that one more time. Maybe I got to recalibrate them, but it's supposed to work. Alright, let's try that again. Pressing back. Oh, good. Okay. That was a close one. Let's try that one more time. Whoa. Alright, it did move away. That was pretty close. That was not fun. And it detected me, and it's moving right out the way. Let's do that one more time. Backwards. Alright, there we go. And it just avoided me. So I'm going to go and do the tree. You see with the thin with this object here, which is pretty good in film mode, which is slow. It's just very thin locking the exposure there. Let me just try this thin little branch here, see if it detects it. Nope, it did not detect it. And it did not detect it. Alright, so let's try that big tree over there, which I did yesterday. And see if it detects it this time. Using the the film mode. So I'm going to go ahead and press it forward. See what it does. It's detected the obstacle and it's going around it, as you can see. Alright, it's already detected the obstacle. I'm going to try to do it again. It's right over there. Moving. And it moves right out of the way. Cool. So let me go closer to it so I can show you guys. I'm going to move it forward. follow it, as you can see, and there you go. It avoids the obstacle automatically as advertised. Try that again from another angle. Move it backwards. Hope you guys can see it. And let's try that again. There it goes. Detects the obstacle and it moves right out the way. Now how about the back? Let's try the back avoidance sensors. So you can see it's moving backwards. Oh, it already detected it and it's moving out the way. Ah, look at that. Pretty awesome. Let's do that one more time. Move it a little bit this way. And I'm just going to lower it a little bit so you guys can see it. And we're going to move back slowly. And it detected it. And it's moving right out the way. Now these are the backward sensors. So that's pretty cool. I'll lower the gimbal. Face it towards me. Now you see that I'm in the shot. And I'm going to move it towards me. Does seem like it's a bit off, the gimbal. I don't know why, it's pointing sideways. Anyway. So you can see I'm moving it. And it detects me and it moves right out the way. That's just all I wanted to share with you guys today. Just wanted to do a quick test of the bypass obstacle feature that Hubsan introduced to this quad, and I have to say I'm pretty happy with it at the moment. I haven't tried it with tracking, and I'll do that on another video, but as you can see from the shots I did here, it does work, the back and forward obstacle sensors. So big congrats to Hubsan for making it happen for this guy here. And yeah, that's all for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Please do hit like if you like it, and if you haven't subscribed, you can do that now. See you guys on the next one.